Many believe outdoor automation is complicated or unreliable. But is that really the case with today's smart technology? Hi, I'm a certified smart home consultant. I help homeowners simplify outdoor automation every day. Here's the real issue. Outdoor devices need weather protection, and remote control should be simple, not stressful. Traditional outdoor plugs often lack smart features. They're hard to control when you're away from home. Plus, many require a separate hub, adding cost and complexity. Let's break down how to solve these problems. Meet the Casa Smart Outdoor Wi-Fi Plug, EP40. This device is built for real-world outdoor conditions. It's IP64 weather-resistant. Rain, dust, or sun, no problem. You get 2 independently controlled outlets. Control garden lights and patio fountains from anywhere. No hub required, just connect to your Wi-Fi. Setup is quick and user-friendly through the Casa app. Worried about compatibility? It works with Alexa and Google Home. You can even automate routines with IFTTT integration. Just say, Alexa, turn on the patio lights, or schedule devices to run at sunset automatically. Let's look at a real scenario. Imagine you're hosting a backyard dinner. Rain threatens, but your garden lights stay on. No interruptions. Need to turn off the fountain? Just use your phone. No need to step outside in bad weather. The Casa EP40 is ETL certified for safety and reliability. It's trusted by millions of smart home users worldwide. Energy-efficient design helps lower outdoor power bills. The dual outlets mean more flexibility for your setup. Use one for holiday decorations, the other for garden tools. The Casa app provides real-time device status. You can monitor energy usage right from your phone. Worried about security? Advanced WPA3 encryption keeps you safe. It's perfect for tech-savvy homeowners and outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're automating landscape lights or pool pumps, or simply want more convenience for outdoor living, the Casa Smart Outdoor Plug adapts to your needs. Let's recap the key benefits. Weather-resistant IP64 build for year-round reliability. Dual outlets for flexible outdoor automation. Remote control via Wi-Fi, no extra hub needed. Works seamlessly with Alexa, Google Home, and IFTTT. ETL certified for safety and peace of mind. Easy installation and user-friendly app experience. Automate, schedule, and monitor outdoor devices effortlessly. Stop worrying about outdoor power management. Start enjoying true smart home convenience outdoors. Thousands of homeowners trust Casa for outdoor automation. Ready to upgrade your patio, garden, or yard? Choose the Casa Smart Outdoor Plug EP40 today. Experience reliable, smart, weatherproof control, anytime, anywhere. Find it now on Amazon and enjoy fast Prime shipping. Transform your outdoor space with one simple upgrade. Make outdoor living smarter, safer, and easier. Order the Casa Smart Outdoor Plug and automate your outdoors today. Before it sells out again, hit that link in the description and check it out.